Hi, welcome back to another tutorial of UKTechians. Today we will be creating a screen as login screen with appearance of day and night. What is day and night appearance we will see in this tutorial. But before this, if you are not a subscriber of this channel, please subscribe this channel and also like our Facebook page and follow us on UKTechians Instagram. So today we are creating a very easy and simple application in which we are creating a login screen that has two text field, a label, a button and an image as a background. And we will use appearance as day and night. What is appearance? Let's see. You can see this icon in Xcode, which is now launched in this way. And when we toggle these buttons, what it will do, it will show the appearance to black and white. So in this tutorial, we will be working on this appearance, how we can change the entire screen colors according to the appearance of night or dark theme. So very simple and basic steps are to add few elements. Like first will be the image, because we are using a background. Then there will be a label. Then there will be two text fields. And then there is a button. Like that. So first is to place this image like this. Then we will place this label on the top, then this text field, and then we will align this button over here in the center. So let's just make a bit like that. These two fields are, the first one is for email and the second one is for password. So let's just see that the label is in center and the button is in center. And now what I'll do is I'll select all these four items, label, the text field and the button, and just add it into a stack view like this. And before that, I'll just add the constraint to this image view, which is our background. And then I'll go to the stack view, and again I'll add the constraint to 16 from left, 16 from right, 30 or 20 from top, and we'll left this empty and add these constraints. And after that, now we will just align it as fill and fill, and the spacing will be 10 for 15, fill equally, and then it's complete. The first step of our UI is completed. Just centralize this text like that and increase the text size to 35. And now the UI is completed. Now let's see in the appearance toggle what it will do if we switch to the night theme. It changes the label color as white, the text field as black, but the button color remains same. So let's just again toggle the appearance button. You can see that the label color now changed to black, the text field background is now white, and the button color remains same. So what I'll do is I'll just go to this button. So the button color is not changing right now. So what I'll do is, if we are changing it to default, we will get it as a label color like that. So now if we change the themes as accordingly, it will change the color of the button as well. The text color of the button as label color. So it's amazing enough. Now, how to add images that shows different background on the change of the appearance toggle. How to do that? So first what I'll do is I'll go to the asset folder and see there is nothing inside. So what I'll do is go to the desktop and add an image of a as PDF. PDF image is a vector image. I downloaded it from a website in a form of .ai extension, but I convert it into the PDF, and now it is a fully vector image that doesn't pixelate. If a PDF image, but it has a variant of 1x, 2x and 3x. What is 1x, 2x and 3x? If you don't know, don't worry. I have already created an tutorial on it. You can go and watch and you can check it out in the info button of this tutorial. So now there is 3 variants, 1x, 2x and 3x, but we need only one image to work all around. So what I'll do is first we have to select it as a iPhone because we are using it as to create only iPhone apps for now. Then there is the scales field which says that this is individual scale, but we have to use a single scale for a single image. So now I'll just drag it, and now the 1x, 2x category is gone, and it will use a single scale for the image for the background. Now for resizing, we will use this field which says preserve vector data, so it will not pixelate any of the thing in that image. And then the last one is appearance, because the appearance is now in the screen in the main storyboard is none by default. But if we want to change the appearance, we have to select in image set that we have this appearance as any, light or dark. Why we have 3 variants, any, light or dark? Because by default the other applications or the other phone doesn't have this feature of light and dark, but in iPhone 13 we get a feature of dark in our settings in that phone. So we use any if we don't have the dark theme or light theme. But if we have dark and light theme, what we will do? First, we will just copy in the light theme the same image, and for the dark, we will just capture this nice PDF and add it here. And now the day names will be changed as background image. Lock it. And now if we go to main storyboard and add this image or the background, what I'll do is just type here and it will show you the image as this. Now the final step is to just aspect fill, so it will scale the image like that. After that, if we toggle this button, if we on this toggle, what it will do, it will show you the appearance of dark theme as well, like that. So it's a cool and amazing feature of adding the appearance. So after finishing with the background thing, now what if we have to change this label color with 2 different colors? So the default color is a label color. Let's see if we use this link color, what it will do. In the dark mode, it will change into this link color, and in light mode, it will change the color into link color as well. It will not change according to the theme, but it will change according to the color which is displayed over here as link color. So how to change the custom color with respect to the theme? So in this case, we will go to this asset, create a color set, and we have any appearance or dark appearance. And again, I am using the iPhone, so I'll just tick on the iPhone devices. And for any or light, I can choose this one, choosing this setting of appearance. And now we have to just added the color and name that color like that. But my client requirement says in light mode, I need a color which is related to this particular background. What I'll do is I'll select one color from here. I will first go to label and choose custom color. Get the palette and select any of the color your slice is, like this color I'm using. So for palettes, we will just add this color into this category, and now after adding it, just check with the stars appearance as well, and select a color from there as well. And well, there I will select this color and drop it over there, and then close this palette. And again, I'll go to the assets, and in this I'll just go to appearance and see the show color palette, and from here I can choose for any. For dark, I will choose this light color, and for light, I will choose this dark color. So let's just add over here and set the color as theme login color. And now if we go again on main storyboard and select this white appearance first, and then change the color to label color, theme login color, what it will do, it will change the color as accordingly the appearance. So now the color is changed to the according to the appearance, and now we will again do save with the pattern. Just change the color foreground color as theme color, like that. Now, because we are creating the text field for the first time, and we have two fields over here, and as I described before, that the first field will be email and the second one will be the password. So how to work with the text field? So first of all, what I'll do is I'll go with the placeholder text. In this folder, we will say that this field indicates that you have to enter an email. So it will show you that email like that. I can zoom it. Let me zoom it like that. It will show you email, and for this, we will add a password. So first step is add a string in placeholder so that a user will add the data according to the field. Then in email, we have some inputs, and here is the input traits, content type. We have to specify whether the content type is email, city, country, or what. So we have to describe it as email, and then we have to describe that the email can be capital or sentence-wise or all capitals, but for emails, we can consider that it can be none. For correction, we can use yes or no. And for dashes, if we need dashes, we can use this instead. And for spelling check, we can use this. But for keyboard type, because we are adding a email, so we need @ and other stuff. So what we have to do, we have to select the input type of this keyboard like that, and we have a return key. We have to add that after adding email, it will go to next, and after pressing next, it will go to the password field. How to work with it, I'll talk about it later, but for return type, we will select next. Okay, and you can see auto enable return key, so you can see we use this as well. Okay, now for passwords, what we will do is we already select the password placeholder. Then the content type is anything. It is one-time code, new password, or only password. So we will select this. For correction, we can say yes. And for correction, we are not using any correction right now. Smart dashes is smart insert. We are not using anything. But for keyboard type, we have to select the what emails, what password will be. It is ASCII capable, number or punctuation, URL, number pad, phone and number pad, name and phone pad, email, or what else. So what we will select is as default. Return key we will use Go. Go is used as this button. We can press this button or just press the Go button from the keyboard. It will do same job we are doing in that button. So after that, because we are using password, we have to entitle the secure text entry like that. So let's just run the application and see how it works. So for email, it will show you a keyboard of this type. Let's say abc@gmail.com. And on next, what it will do is do nothing, because we didn't handle this next button. And we will do it in next tutorial. But before that, let's see how it works with password. So it says that the password is protected with the hidden characters. For email, it shows a next button and this type of keyboard. For password, it shows the keyboard like this and with the Go button. So this is a tutorial that depends on how to work with the theme of with the appearance. So in next tutorial, we will cover how to work with Go and next buttons, the return keys, how to perform the same task on button and on the keyboard delegates, and how it works. And for now, if you are not a subscriber of this channel, please subscribe this channel and share the best part of this video under the comment section. Feel free to ask any question in comment section. I will be happy to reply as soon as possible. We will be back with other amazing tutorial. Inshallah. Allah Hafiz.